Good morning Maple class, and how are we all doing? I hope you're all safe and well and that you enjoyed the school holidays. Welcome back to Mrs Simmons cooking session. This week I thought we'd have a little bit of fun and we shall be making Mars bar cakes. I hope you'll join me. Okay Maplers, you know what to do. Push up your sleeves, pop on your apron and wash your hands. Okay, it's now time to get our ingredients ready. Okay, Maple class, so Mrs Simmons has weighed out her ingredients. I have 100 grams of butter, 3 Mars bars, I've got one more in the fridge, golden syrup, 150 grams of Rice Krispies and plain or milk chocolates, whichever you prefer. Let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is chop up our Mars bars. So for this you will need a fork and a sharp knife. Obviously, because we're using a sharp knife, you do need to make sure you've got a grown-up to help you. We're then going to use our stab and cut skills to stab and cut our Mars bars up into chunks like this. Okay. Once you've chopped up your Mars bars, you're going to pop them into a large mixing bowl. Next, we're going to add our butter to the Mars bars, like so. And then we are going to add our golden syrup. You'll need a spoon for this. So about 1.5 tablespoons. So there's one. And there's our half. Okay. Next, we're going to pop our mixture into the microwave and melt our ingredients. So you're going to pop it in the microwave for as long as it takes to melt the mixture in the bowl and it to become a liquid. Okay, so you should have a mixture like this, nice and runny. Children, you will need your grown-ups to help you as your liquid will now be hot, hot, hot. So be very careful. Next, we need to add our Rice Krispies into our melted mixture. So pop them in. And using our mixing skills, we are going to coat the Rice Krispies in the melted chocolate, butter and golden syrup. Make sure you cover all those Rice Krispies and you will end up with a mixture just like this. Okay, next you will need a baking tray just like this and some greaseproof paper. You're going to pop the greaseproof paper into the baking tray and then we're going to spoon in the mixture. So I've packed in my mixture. Make sure you get it all out. And then using the back of a dessert spoon, you're going to push the mixture down into the baking tray so it's nice and flat. and you should end up with something looking just like this. Okay, I'm going to put my mixture to one side, and in a separate bowl I'm going to break up 350 grams of either plain or milk chocolate, depending on what you like. Okay, once you've broke your chocolate up, you're going to take your bowl of broken chocolate pieces, pop it back in the microwave again until it's melted. Again, make sure you've got your grown-ups to help you because it will be hot, hot, hot. Okay, so finally you're going to spoon over the top of your mixture your freshly melted chocolate. Make sure you spread it all out, all over the mixture. And then, once you've done that, you're going to pop your mixture into the fridge and allow it to set. And there we have it, Maple class. Yummy Mars bar cake. Enjoy!